Mechanical horse. Yeah. So daddy you will give me in, like for example in my OPK, he gave me and in my OPK, he won always 6,000. Always 6,000. Like two times yun daddy di ba? Two times. Thank you daddy. But it's still good because it's only 399 and he can win he win 500. If solo live and panel, no possible big win. If solo live and panel, only in only in the big chances of winning is during OPK. PK. So next time, Daddy Yo, if you want to give me Bubble Dragon in my OPK. So that's why you can win Bubble Dragon. Or like, oh yeah, yeah. We can do it. But it's still good, Daddy Yo, because you still won 500. Because when Bryce give me 500, no one, nothing. He gave me nothing. Oh my god. Because I just tell Bryce to play in the greedy. I gave her only 500. 300 only. But he won three times. So he dropped me three dragon. But only one give 500. The rest nothing. Oh my god. I said, oh my gulay. I hope you just give me the kiss me. If I just knew, diba? Yeah. Bryce is good in playing greedy. I just give her 300. I said, okay, Bryce, you play greedy. I will give you 300. And every time you do live, must clean your settings. The clean catchy. Clean catchy? Paano yun? Setting the clean catchy. Where's the setting? Where is the setting? In the phone? In my phone? Go to your setting and you will see the clean catchy. In Bigo. Okay, I note that on profile setting. Okay, okay. I will note that, okay? So next time, because I want you must to clean all the time. All the time. Clean kachi. Okay, okay. Noted, noted. Maybe you are is VIP, no? You know everything in Bigo. Oh, noted, noted. I will do that later after I ended my life. Nino ang I don't know that. Hi Kael. Iba na naman pangalan ni Kael. Iba-iba na naman. Jihad is my life. Okay. Cassius Clay Jr. Yeah, that's Cassius Clay Jr. He have a girlfriend already, Daddy O. Kami, Kim, Kami. Okay. Shall we everyone? How are you there? You okay? Charot. Ay, he wants me for best man. Or something. He want you to be the best man in her wedding? No. Ikaw, Ninong. Ninong, principal sponsor. You can be the principal sponsor, okay? And I can be the principal sponsor too in their wedding. play with me. Sin nombre. Hello. I don't go to wedding. Why? I attend wedding like that. I give wishes. Too many ladies wants daddy yo. Wow. Really daddy yo? But you need to be loyal. Mm. Hi, real, and you are 150. I If I come to Philippines, I go home with Harim. Who's Harim? Who's Harim? Your friend? Who's Harim? Harim is lot of ladies. Oh, you can have a sickness called, what is that? AIDS. AIDS. You can have lots of sickness also if you have lots of ladies. You can get AIDS. So no wedding. No wedding. Yeah, no wedding. No wedding for today's video. Troy. Troy. Hi, Ray. Skydiver, are you okay there? Layalex, hello. Ala, alas 4 na ba? But it's okay. Yu-chan. What time in your country? Ay, 12. 1 na. 1 na o'clock sa iyo. 1 o'clock. Kay ano, kay Travis, 4 a.m. How about you, Skydiver? What time in your country? Maybe in Daddy Yo, it is 1 a.m., right? 1 a.m., 4 a.m. Budoy. See, I told you. 1 a.m. 1 a.m. 4. I really hard to memorize your time difference. You just tell me earlier that it's 12 a.m. At Maka. Hello. I help you do math for my time. Okay. What time? I need to lower your minus. 3 hours. Minus 3 hours. Then AM, no? Like that. 4 minus 3 is 1. Then AM. 2 AM in your place. Huh. Okay.